Hi, welcome to Mechs. This tutorial will show you how to verify your Mechs account with Stripe. So first, we're going to go ahead and select the menu bar in the top left corner. Next, we'll select Cash Out, and then select Connect a new Stripe account. All right, so the next page will ask you to input your email address, and then select Submit. The next page will ask you for your phone number. Now select Submit. You will get a verification code to your phone number. Input that verification code. The next page will ask you a few questions about your business. For business type, you can select the drop-down menu and select the type of business that you have. We'll select Company. For business structure, we'll select Single Member LLC. Press Continue. The next page will ask you some more questions about your business, like your business name, your employer identification number, and your business address. You want to input all of that information in the fields on this page. For industry, we'll go under Professional Services and select Auto Service for all mechanics. You can even input your business website if you have one. Next, select Continue. The next page will ask you about your personal details just to verify your account. You'll input your first and last name, your date of birth, your home address, your phone number, and the last four of your social security number, and you can press Continue. The next page will ask you to select an account for payouts. This account will receive all of your funds from your customers when they pay through Mechs. When they pay their invoices, all of that funding will go into this account. So be sure to select the account of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and select Chase. The next screen, you can press Agree and Continue. And press Continue with Link. On the next page, you're going to want to press Copy. This link is going to connect you to your bank account of choice. You will then take this link, copy and paste it into your phone or laptop's web browser, like such. That link will then take you to your bank account. Once you log into your bank account, you will then return to the Mechs page. And from here, you will receive a page that says you've been successfully verified with Stripe. You will also see that your bank account has also been successfully linked with Mechs.